dati namang mayroong ongoing investigation. Now, if Mr. Roque has goods on any official in the PCSO ba? Sabi mo, PCSO.
PhilHealth.
PhilHealth, then you should file the appropriate charges.
And you will support that move.
We don't have to support anything. We are always
Hindi,
for the
the
rule of law.
documents.
Whatever, anybody who wants to file any case against any official, let the law takes its course. Palagi yan ang stand ng Office of the President.
And what happened to the previous investigation conducted by officer?
Wala akong report na meron ng final report submitted to the President.
So there is also a call from Attorney Harry Roque to abolish yung PhilHealth and create a new agency manned by yung sabi niya matitinong tao alinsunod doon sa originally planned sa Universal Healthcare Act.
I haven't...
Malawakan na daw, sobrang lalim daw yung corruption sa PhilHealth.
Hindi ko alam yung sinasabi niya. Then let him file the appropriate charges. If he wants it abolished, then address it to Congress.